What up, YouTube? It's your boy Usmaz Rooftop. Siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi ubani ati umuntu kabani asikho la. Today we are here. GS College awubakhombise dog. We are here mfethu. So today into esifunayo ne. SG's public questions and I got 3 people coming in right now. I don't know noma bazovuma no cha mara yazini siyabangena. Danko is thank you. It's your boy. Names. Do I look beautiful dog? What would you rate me from Magnesium out of 10?
I'd say 6.5.
Yeah?
6.5.
That's too low, dog. I with Amanda. What would you rate me out of 10? Magnesium 8. Where's the 2? Velanga keri bafethu ngishota ngehaircuts. Hey. I know ukuthi ngishota ngehaircuts ne. Look. Crusty as fuck. I know I'm short a haircut chance. But no, I don't deserve a 6.5 from here. 7.
It's just a 0.5 difference.
Yeah.
It's just a 0.5 difference.
Okay, 8. Ne? 8 for the haircut. What's 8? So, Mama, I'm here with Uban Kam.
Precious.
The first date, ne? Umchitanga kipelava.
On the first date.
Yeah.
It's yeah, okay. 2 cappuccinos.
2 cappuccinos. Who's paying?
Well, I can be paying. I mean, it's first date, so
Yeah.
it can be.
Oh, you can do the paying.
Yeah.
Okay. Unai crash la.
Last colleen.
Yeah. You don't do crashes.
Last colleen.
Yeah.
Tapping apart, not here.
Okay. Let's say you crash in your meter one time, one day. What's that one place la ufuna kuthathe khona for the first date?
Fancy restaurants. Yeah.
Fancy restaurants. So, ubani ozopatara? You guys go 50-50 or it's all on him?
50-50 by the way. If ever nangabe sihlangene lapho soba u2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time, very date yokuqala. No, when are you wife material? Are you in a relationship, man?
No.
Oh, ngeke. Okay, let's say you are in a relationship. What's that one place ofuna ukuya kuyo? Umuntu akhiphele kiyo, I mean. First date.
First dates,
Yeah.
anything. Home and just something nice. Yeah.
Like Boma restaurant. Yeah. So man figured out who's paying.
Lolo fika nale idea yokuthi sibe ne date.
Oh, the idea. Shoot when you don't come with the ideas.
No.
Sepang bafethu uyangibhora, we are out. Where would you take Ukeli on the first date? First date.
First date.
Yeah.
Like if I was close to a restaurant, maybe I'd take her.
Then who's paying?
We are both paying.
You're gonna do 50-50, none of that.
Yes, unless if she offers to pay, then I'm not paying.
So you comfortable with Ukeli patarela da? The whole meal?
Of course.
I cheese boys level bafethu niyayizwa le yami ithi. What's that one thing you are so glad ukuthi umuntu wakho akayazi ngawo?
There's nothing.
Are you in a relationship?
Not currently.
Not currently. Hey, she's singing bafethu. Single. Are you in a relationship? Currently, are you in a relationship?
Yeah, I'm in a relationship.
What's the one thing you are so glad ukuthi umuntu wakho akayazi ngawe? What's that one thing?
Akayazi ngami.
Yeah, angayazi ngawe and you are happy ngaloko ukuthi lokho akakwazi.
I like Stan girls.
Yini manje lokho?
You don't know Stan?
So yini lokho stand ke?
Lesbian.
So does that make you gay?
I'm not gay.
Yeah?
I like them.
Oh.
Not so I love them. Yes. Stans.
Whoa, you love stands. Eish. Mina ngithuthanda ama lesbian. And then akana stands.
No.
Brothers, Sandy stands lo mama. Sandy stands. Okay, you in a relationship.
Yeah, I'm in a relationship.
What's the one thing you are so glad ukuthi umuntu wakho akayazi ngawe?
That I get multiple partners.
What? What?
Ngiyadala. How?
Yeah. Umzwile uthini lo muntu? Amanga lawa ngithi.
Amanga, don't believe it.
If you are watching bafo manga, it's not true. So you in a relationship njalo?
Yes, I'm in a relationship.
What's that one thing you are so glad ukuthi umuntu wakhe akayazi? Ngawe.
Personal.
Okay. Futhi ngifaka under pass. So, tell me your craziest confession.
My craziest confession.
Yeah.
Yo.
How long you've been around, Gara?
A year and 6 months.
Ah, you do have a craziest confession. Tell me.
Yo, craziest confession. I don't.
You don't have. All holy.
No, I don't have any.
What's your craziest confession?
Yo. I think it's personal, this one.
It is personal. So ufuna ukubheka le and not face the camera.
Angithanda ukuyiphendula le. Angithanda ukuyiphendula.
Okay. Guys, Jason the ruler is making the things happen. Usatweki. She's making the things happen. Tsepanga, how are you, John?
Ngiyaphila kunjani nje?
Ngiyaphila fethu, it's been 6 years ngakuboni and I'm happy that you're still here, Tsabanga.
Qamba manga.
It's been how long?
Sine 2023.
2023, this is 2025. She's still operating. Right now, so nesikhundla la angithi. So, awutshele, what's the craziest confession? You've been here.
Ayikho.
Tell, what's your craziest confession?
Yo, my craziest confession.
Yeah.
Yo, that's a deep question, Mosa.
Is it? Uthini angazi senze njani sikufihla ubuso before usho.
I won't feel.
Okay, what's your craziest confession then?
Yo, I'm stubborn.
Okay, nimzwile bafethu. Uthi stubborn, that's the what's your craziest confession? Even if you can watch that side and just say your craziest confession. How long you've been here, dog?
I've been here for 2 years.
2 years. You have a craziest confession, I know. What's your craziest confession, Ugada?
Man, ngaqala phansi.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Okay, qale phansi ke.
Okay, yazini. Le craziest confession ngoba ngathi personal. Sesoqina ngayo. You say sick 3 times.
Sick.
Kokugcina?
Sick.
Kokugcina ngci.
Sick.
What do cows drink?
Cows drink water.
Hey, she's singing and smart fuck. You say sick 3 times.
Can I say?
Sick 3 times.
Sick.
So show I for where?
Oh, you are born
3
now.
times.
Sick.
What do cows drink?
Milk.
Yeah, Shut up.
I'm Jacob_034 on TikTok.
Yeah.
Then I have a YouTube. It's Jacob_034. Then I'm about to release a single track titled Whispers in the Dark. Please
Yeah.
check it out. It's gonna be out next week Friday.
Okay.
Drop buzz.
So she's singing bukani ngiyanplaga. Sicela Instagram yakho, Facebook, TikTok.
Instagram and TikTok pen.
Okay?
Instagram is Precious R,
Yes.
and then TikTok is also Precious.
Okay.
It's Precious.
Can you Instagram yakho mawunayo or Facebook?
No, you can find me on TikTok.
Oh, TikTok.
Philile Vilakazi.
Okay. Philile Vilakazi, thank you ne. Sharp Phili. What kind of a song? Piano, hip hop?
It's hip hop.
Okay.
More of like a love song, heartbreak song, something like that.
Okay. Aye.
Drop buzz.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Freestyle nyana.
Okay, steady reminiscing on the bendo, it's a rando. Haters nigga hate me, I don't infiltrate the game though. Fire in the kitchen, cooking up, the shit is classic. Had some catching up, real nigga running too fast, yeah. Getting to the bags, yeah. Running too fast, yeah. They never see me lacking up with the squad. Ghost beggars can't be choosers, I ain't fucking with no Mac D. For me once I cut you off, I ain't playing.
Shit! That nigga is shy and it's too much. Thank the boys. He's too much. I'm an artist shy, man. And then,
manje ngoba ngibona emehlweni ngifama brand and kunjani
manje ufuna ukwafaka or ufuna ukwakha umuntu?
angiboni inkinga
Manje nje awungiboni.
angiboni
Awungiboni. It's your boy uSpazi bafethu.